Hi, I'm Roxana from VP State, and in this video I will show how to manage leads inside WPResidence CRM. A lead is the next step after a contact shows real interest. This can come from a property inquiry, a phone call, a portal inquiry, a referral, or any other interaction that shows the person may become a client. Inside the CRM workflow, leads sit between contacts and deals. The contact is the person and the deal is the transaction you are actively working on. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to open the leads section, add a lead manually, understand lead statuses, assign a handler agent, filter your leads, and move a lead forward into a deal. You can add a new lead from the CRM section in User Dashboard under Leads. In this page, you will see main list of the leads in your CRM. Administrators can see all leads in the system. Agents see only the leads assigned to them or created by them. A lead is a qualified signal of interest. For example, someone may submit a property form, call your office, or come from a portal inquiries. At this stage, the person is more than just a contact in your database. There is now an opportunity to follow up, qualify their needs, and decide whether they should move toward a real transaction. Every lead is connected to a contact. Optional, the lead can also be connected to a property, especially when the person is interested in a specific listing. You can add leads manually. You need to press the Add New Lead button. Each lead includes the key information your team needs to understand the opportunity. First, there's the handler agent. This is the agent responsible for working the lead. You can set the lead type. Next, you can choose the lead status and the lead source. The source link can store the URL of the page or the listing that generated the lead. You can also have the message from the prospect and the private note for your internal comments. And finally, you need to select the contact. This is the person the lead belongs to. These fields help your team understand three important things. Who is this lead? Where did they come from? And what should happen next? Press Add Lead. Lead statuses help you track progress. It is important to understand the difference between an inquiry, a lead, and a deal. An inquiry is a raw inbox item. This is usually the first message or form submission. A contact is the person behind that request. A lead is a qualified opportunity that is assigned to someone and actively worked. And a deal is a specific transaction in progress, usually connected to a property. Some teams may only use contacts and deals, especially if they do not need a separate lead layer. Use leads when you want to track each qualified opportunity separately, especially when the same contact may have more than one inquiries or interest over time. When a lead becomes a real transaction, the next step is to create a deal. To do this, open the contact connected to the lead and create a deal for that contact. Once the deal is created, return to the original lead, edit it, and set the status to Open Deal. This keeps the lead record in the CRM history, while also showing that the opportunity has moved into the active deal pipeline. The lead is not deleted, it remains part of the contact's history, which is useful later when reviewing how the relationship started. As your CRM grows, filters help you focus on the right leads. The lead section includes filters for status, type, source, handler agent, date, and free text field. The lead section also supports actions in bulk. You need to select multiple leads and select the action. You can choose delete, change status, or assign agent. This is useful when cleaning up test data, updating several leads after a review, or organizing a large list more quickly. This is how you manage leads in the WPResidence CRM. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.